Lucky Poonie.
Oh, look, besties, we have a lot of eggs. It's the rainbow colors. Repeat with me. Green, pink, blue, yellow, purple, orange, red. Now shall we get ready to open the eggs, one by one?
Whee! Woo!
Oh, look. It's Gecko. Gecko, he wears a green one-piece costume with frills. He is the youngest member of Pimasks. Anything else? Oh, look. It's a grandpa shark. Grandpa shark is green. Anything else? Surprise!
Whee!
It's a lol doll. She has green glasses. Now let's open the red egg. Oh, look, it's Owlette. She can fly with her cape like wings. I think we can find one more in here. It's Pikachu. He wears a red jacket.
Pikachu, Pika, Pika, Pikachu, Pika, Pika, Pikachu, Pika, Pika, Pikachu.
Anything else? It's Iron Man. Iron Man is also color red. Is a superhero. Now let's open the pink egg. It's Mommy Shark.
Mommy shark, doodle, mommy shark, doodle, mommy shark, doodle, mommy shark, mommy shark, doodle.
Anything else? Oh, look! It's a Princess Ariel. She wears a pink dress. Ariel is a mermaid. Anything else? Anything else? Oh, it's Pinkfong. Pinkfong is a pink fox. Let's look for our surprises. It's Chase. He wears a hat and a purple jacket. It's our Paw Patrol dog. Now let's open the blue egg. It's Daddy Shark. He is a blue shark.
Daddy shark, doodle, daddy shark, doodle, daddy shark, doodle, daddy shark.
Think we can find one more in here yet. There it is. It's Super Mario. Super Mario wears a blue jumpsuit. Super Mario jump high. Let's look for our surprises. Oh, look. It's SpongeBob. Is a yellow sea spawn. Anything else? Anything else? Check it out. It's a minion. His name is Carl. Now let's open the last egg. Check it out. Wow. It's Squilliam. Squilliam is an octopus. He wears orange t-shirt.
I love you. I love you, baby.